Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about insectivorous plants. Okay. You have read that animals eat plants, but do you know some plants also eat animals? These plants feed on insects. They are known as insectivorous plants. Plants that eat insects are called which plants? Insectivorous plants. Okay. Plants that eat insects are called insectivorous plants. They grow in an area where the soil is poor in nitrogen. These plants will grow in the area where soil is poor in nitrogen. Means we are having less nitrogen in the soil. Poor, or we can say less nitrogen. Okay. So they fulfill their nitrogen requirements by feeding on insects. So they fulfill their nitrogen they fulfill their nitrogen requirements by feeding the insects. By feeding on insects. Insectivorous plants have chlorophyll and other colored pigments. They can carry if you are having chlorophyll means it will carry one process. What do you call that process? Photosynthesis. These plants are having, one second. Chlorophyll and other color pigment also. So they will carry which process? Photosynthesis. They are having chlorophyll and other color pigment, so they will carry photosynthesis. They can therefore carry out photosynthesis. They are usually brightly colored and are fragrant to attract insects. They are having which color? Bright color, and they are having fragrance. Some smell is there. खुशबू रहती है जिससे insects attract हो जाते. Okay. They are brightly colored. They are having some fragrance or smell, we can say, so that insects will attract. Okay, we will see examples. Examples are pitcher plants and Venus flytrap. These are the two examples. This is the Venus flytrap. This is a pitcher plant. We will see in detail about this. Okay. The leaves of Venus flytrap have a very sensitive leaf surface with hair-like structures. The leaves of Venus flytraps are very sensitive leaves. Here we are having very sensitive leaves, and we are having hair-like structure. You can see this is a Venus flytrap plant. In this we are having hair-like structure. You will see this one is what do you call this one? Hair-like structure, or we can say hairy structure. When insect sits on the surface of the leaf, it closes and the plant digests it, thus getting nutrients from it. when an insect come, okay, suppose some insect will come here and it will sit on here on the Venus flytrap plant. They will trap it, they will catch that insect and they will digest it to get nutrients. These plants, these plants digest insects. First of all, what they will do when insects because these plants are having fragrance, right? They are bright colored, बहुत अच्छा color और बहुत अच्छी smell रहती है उसमें. That's why insects will come and sit here. So when the insects come and sit here, they will trap that insect, they will catch that insect and they will digest it to get the nutrients. As they are having less nitrogen in the soil, as we are having less nitrogen in the soil, that's why they will trap the insects, they will catch the insects, they will digest it to get the nutrients, more nutrients, okay? Digest it to get more nutrients or to get nutrients. Okay. The next we will see pitcher plant. Pitcher plants attract insect because of its attractive color. So this is in pink color. Okay, this entire one is pink color. Because of this color, insects will attract. Attractive color. Insects will come here. Suppose one insect is there. It will come here and will sit here because this is of bright color, this is of some attractive color. So they will sit here. When they will sit here, they will close this. We are having one cap over here. They will close this and they will eat that insect. Attract insect because of its, the pitcher plant attracts insects because of its attractive color. When the insects come and sit on the plant, they get trapped. The plant closes its lid and does not allow the insect to go out. What do you call this one? This is called lid. Okay, we are having one lid. When insects will come here on the pitcher plant, they will sit here. When insect will come and sit here, they will close this lid. We are having one lid. They will close this lid and they will trap it. First of all, they will trap it and they will put that insect inside and they will close this lid. Okay. Does not allow the insect to go out, so that they will not allow the insects to go out. First of all, what they will do, they will trap the insect, they will trap and they'll close the lid and they does not allow insect to go out. Allow insect okay. I hope you have understood this one. Once again, we will see this one. We will recapitulate it. Insectivorous plants. This is our chapter 2, plant habitat. This is our last topic of this chapter. Insectivorous plants. Insectivorous. By this term only you will able to understand some insect concept will be there here. Plants that eat insects. See, insectivorous plants means plants that eat insects are called insectivorous plants. Okay. Plants that eat insects are called insectivorous plants. These insectivorous plants grow in a soil where nitrogen is less. They'll grow in the soil where nitrogen is poor, nitrogen is less. In that places, these plants will grow in there. Okay, they'll grow in the soil where nitrogen is poor or when nitrogen is less. They fulfill the nitrogen requirements by feeding on insects. They'll eat the insects. Feeding nothing but eating. They'll eat the insects in order to complete the nitrogen requirements. In these plants, we are having chlorophyll and another colored pigment also. With the help of chlorophyll, we can carry out which process? Photosynthesis. We can carry out photosynthesis process. These insectivorous plants are bright color. Okay, they are bright in color. The fragrance and smell is very good. So, because of the fragrance, suppose if we are applying we are using some scents and all. Like if some guest is coming into our house and if they applied some perfumes and all, right? So we will go and ask what fragrance you applied, we'll getting so much good smell, so we will attract to that, right? Similarly, because of this fragrance or smell, these plants will attract the insects, they will trap the insects, they'll catch the insects. Okay, so we are having insectivorous plants. There are two types of insectivorous plants: Venus flytrap one and pitcher plant. Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. What is Venus flytrap plant? Venus flytraps are very they are having hairy structure on them, they are having hairy structure, and they are having very sensitive leaves. They are having very these Venus flytraps are having very sensitive leaves, they are having hairy structure, they are having hairs on them. These plants digest insects to get the nutrients from them. Okay, they will digest insects to get the nutrients. What is our second plant? Pitcher plant. Pitcher plant, we are having one lid. When insect will come and sit on the pitcher plant, they will close this lid, and they are attractive color. Pitcher plants are very attractive in color. They are especially they are in pink color. They will trap the insects, then they'll close the lid. First of all, they will trap the insect, then they'll close the lid. They does not allow the insect to go out. After that, they will eat the insect. We always seen that animals eat plants, but now we studied that plants also eat some animals. That animals are insects. Okay, that animals are insects. So the plants which eat insects are called insectivorous plants. I hope you all understood this one. So we have finished our chapter 2, animal habitats. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.